your name and you're here, come on up and accept your award. First, I'd like to tell you who's eligible to enter this. It's any family members within the age groups of 17 to 15 years old, of any active division or a division or pulpit. Each child entered and submitted their ideas for a company safety slogan. They were judged on the impact, relevance, and creativity of their safety catchphrase. Their ideas will be used company-wide in the form of a paycheck stuffer. There were 4 categories that our employees, child, family member could choose to write about. These are our winners. The age group is 7 to 11 years old. The winner is Austin Cataldi, age 7. The slogan, do you want to be a speed bump? Then dismount safely. Also from the age 7 to 11, if Austin's here, please come on up. Another winner, Annabelle Mack, age 7. Annabelle Mack, the runner-up. The slogan, watch your step or you'll regret. A slip or trip, that is what you'll get. Okay. Another runner-up, Cameron Cataldi, age 9. The slogan, backing up is not so fun, plus you might hit someone. Another runner-up, Cecilia Gorostita, age 10. The slogan, don't crack up, always know where you're backing up. Cecily, sorry. Cecily. All right, we have one grand prize winner from the age group of 12 to 15 years old. The winner, Kylan Simon, age 14. The slogan, even if it makes you the elephant in the room, always put safety first. Catalina, age 14, are you here? Well, then you should have spelled the paper. Catalina. Let's spell it on the paper. Is Caitlin Simon here? The winner of the volleyball tournament, our Nanticoke division, earned 25 points. Come on, Richard Mini Elephant for volleyball.
I'm going to accept the award. Go ahead, get on there. There you go, Glenn. Good job, buddy.
Now we had a little bit of controversy in the relay race this year. I've been advised that 5 points has been deducted from Nanticoke for suspected foul play. It was not suspected, it was confirmed. So Nanticoke and Bridgeport tied in that event for 20 points. The Mini Elephant goes to Bridgeport. Nanticoke will also get a Mini Elephant. This will be mailed. The winners of the raft race, earning 30 points, Allentown. Oh, I'm sorry. Bridgeport, I'm sorry. Too many elephants. Killing it. 40 is definitely higher than 30. Now our trivia scores. Our picture answers, we'll go over the picture answers real quick. Number 1 was a picture of our Godshall Road property, also known as Old Corporate. Picture number 2 is at our corporate office in the lobby on the ceiling. Number 3 is White Pines Landfill. Number 4, Mount Olive. Number 5 is LVR.
Go ahead,
Number
Dana.
6 is Dunmore. 7 is Parsippany. 8 is Pioneer Crossing Landfill. 9 is Burks. And number 10 is Lauman Avenue. This is where it all started, everybody. Right there. Now our trivia scores. All right, let me count these real quick. I want another situation. Yeah, definitely Allentown. With 55 points, Allentown won trivia. Dunmore came in second with 53 points. They tied with Nanticoke, also in second. Or 51 points for Bridgeport, 49 for Morris, and 43 for Burks. Now for our overall standings.
Wait, what about the smaller,
In 6th place with a total of 83 points, Dunmore. In 5th place, 84 points, Morris County. In 4th place, 88 points, Burks. Our runner-up this year, with 120 points, was Allentown. And in 1st place, a first-time champion, Bridgeport. And 3rd place, 108 points. Come on, we get the elephant, Tony. Bridgeport will get this award for 1 year before we see it for the next year. good sportsmanship. It's been great. Every year we give out a Spirit Award. Dunmore, you received the last place award. We give you a mini elephant for all your great participation. Dunmore, please come up here and take your elephant.